Hello, good morning, students. After a long time, see motion along the horizontal line. In this concept, some important and small problems. So the question here is: a body moving in a circular path of radius capital R completes one round in 10 seconds. The ratio of distance traveled to the displacement in 2.55 seconds is dash. That is the question. First of all, here let us say this is the circular path. Radius is capital R. Now for one round total, how much it will be taking? Total time you can take it as 10 seconds. So if you divide into the four parts, for each part 2.5 seconds, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 like that, isn't it? Now what you have to find is the ratio of distance traveled and displacement in 2.5 seconds. So from this diagram I can know that so let us say the starting point is from A and to the ending point is B. Why? Because in the 2.5 seconds you have to find. So this is the formula. Now so this is the displacement, distance traveled. AB is the curved path here. This is the distance traveled. So what about the displacement? Displacement in the sense you can directly draw this. This indicates the displacement. So you can use two methods here. Method number one, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square for the measuring the displacement. So for the distance in the sense this total will be circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. What about this part? 2 pi r by how many parts are? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So you can say simply the distance is equal to total circumference is 2 pi r by this part is fourth part. You can say simply 4. Or simply you can write pi r by 2. This is the distance. What about the displacement? Displacement is equal to, you can write like this, AB, which is equal to root over r square plus r square, or simply 2r square and a root. Simply take out the r, then you will get root 2r. This is the distance and displacement values. How do you have to find ratio of distance by displacement, or in some cases they will ask displacement by distance also. So if here they ask is distance by displacement, simply you can write here. So distance by displacement which is equal to pi r by 2 and displacement is root 2r. R gets cancelled. Simply you can say pi by 2 root 2. This is the answer. Or else in terms of numerics, you will get pi means 22 by 7 into 2 root 2. 7 into 2 root 2. So 2 will be cancelled 11 times. Simply you can say 11 is to 7 root 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. So question number 2. If Sn is equal to 2 plus 0.4n, find the initial velocity and acceleration where Sn is the displacement in the nth second. So generally this is in the form of nth second. We will get the formula Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half, or sometimes you can LCM 2n minus 1 into 2. That is also no problem. Let us check this. Now this will be converted into this form. So how can you do that one? Simply for my convenience to add 0.2 and subtract 0.2. Any objection? No. Then we will get Sn is equal to, this is 2 plus 0.2, that is 2.2. Now I can write in the reverse manner, 0.4n minus 0.2. Okay na? So here. So Sn is equal to 2.2 plus, so take out the 0.4 as common. What do you get? N minus 1 by 2. If you want you can check, multiply it, you will get the above one. Now this is in the form of like this. So from this you can compare this. You will get the initial velocity u is equal to, in place of u value is 2.2. so if it is the units means meter per second. What about the acceleration? So value of acceleration, a in place of a 0.4 meter per second square. Okay. Number third question next. Now number third question is, a particle is moving along the x-axis whose instantaneous speed is given as v square by 2 is equal to 128 minus 9x square. So from this you have to find the acceleration. So how can you do this? This can be done in two methods. It can be converted into v square minus v square is equal to 2as, or else differentiating it. So we'll do one method solution. So the value is given as v square is equal to, do the cross multiplication, how much it will be, 256, okay, minus 2829 18x. So this is the value of v square. Got it? Now we have to find the acceleration. So what is the value of acceleration here? But it is in terms of x is there, na? Now you can differentiate with respect to the x. So differentiating with respect to x, what you will get? D by dx of v square is equal to d by dx of 256 minus d by dx of 18x square. Now what it will be? V square means 2v into dv by dx, which is equal to, this constant value is 0, minus x square means 2x. What you will get? 2 18 ja 36x. Okay, got it. Now again you can cancel this, no problem. So 2v dv by dx is equal to 0.36 minus 36x. 2 cancel, you will get again minus 8, so this is the value v dv by dx. So as we know that the acceleration can be in terms of displacement, the value formula is like this. How will you get this one? So let us check. Acceleration is equal to dv by dt, isn't it? So multiply and divide with dx. Got it? So a is equal to, you will get dv by dx, interchange this dx here into dt. So but dx by dt is nothing but the velocity. So that means acceleration is equal to v into dv by dx. Now in place of this we can put a, which is equal to minus 18x meter per second square. That's all. Thank you. Next, number 4. Now the fourth question is, the displacement time graph of two moving particles makes an angles 30 degrees and 45 degrees with the x-axis. Ratio of their velocities of the two particles. Let us say displacement and a time graph which gives the velocity. The slope of the graph, simply you can say that solution, slope of the graph gives velocity. Okay, now as you know that slope is nothing but dy by dx, or simply y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is simply you can say tan theta. So from this velocity of 1 is nothing but tan theta 1. Velocity of 2 is nothing but tan theta 2. Now we have to find this ratio v1 by v2. Yeah, which is equal to tan theta 1 by tan theta 2. Simply theta 1 means how much? Tan 30 by tan 45. So tan 30, as you know, the value of tan 30 is v1 by v2 is equal to 1 by root 3 by tan 45 means 1, or simply you can say v1 is to v2 is equal to 1 is to root 3. That's it. So this is a beautiful question. A freely falling body covers dash of total distance in third second. The question is third second. Say for example, let us say this is the some tower or whatever it may be. From this freely falling body means initial velocity should be 0. So the question asked is the total distance in third second. So here the answer will be given in terms of percentage. That means third second. Say for example, the distance traveled by the body in, let us say, 3 seconds. That is total distance, let us consider. Okay, now this will be considered as some y. Okay. Now in the first second here, second second here, third second here, that means this indicates the third second, which we will say x. Now what you have to find? Percentage you have to find. That means so in the third second means this you have to find with the total distance. So simply x by y into 100, this you have to find. Now simply by using the formula, first one, 3 seconds. 3 seconds means you can use the formula in 3 seconds. S is equal to ut plus half at square. As you know, freely falling body, that means you can say this is nothing but the y value. Okay, y is equal to 0 plus freely falling a is equal to g, that means 1 by 2 into g means a 10 into t square means 3 into 3. How much you will get? 2 5 are 10, 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45. So displacement is equal to 45 meters, let us say, whatever it may be. No need. Next, in third second, you have to find in third second. So in the third second, so you can use the formula third nth second, that is Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. So freely falling body, that means you can say S third is equal to g into n minus 1 by 2. Or simply we will get this value is nothing but S3, that is nothing but the x value. So we will get x is equal to 10 into 3 minus 1 by 2. How much it will get? 3 minus 2, so it's 5 by 2. 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. So what you will get? 25 meters, let us say. 2 5 ja, 5 5 ja 25. So we will get the x value as 25. So we have to find the percentage. That means simply the percentage. X by y into 100. X is 25. Y means how much? 45 into 100. 5 5 ja, 5 9 ja, that is 500 by 9. 9 5 ja, 45, again 50. 9 5 ja, 45, again 50, 45 45 ja, 55.5555 dash, that is a percentage. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching.